Andrew begged his parents for a puppy for the longest time, and today he finally got his puppy. I'm so excited to pick up my puppy from the animal shelter today. Andrew got to the animal shelter and picked up his puppy. He then went home to show his puppy his new home. We're finally home. I think I'm going to name you Ollie. Andrew asked his mom and dad if he could take Ollie on a walk all by himself. His mom and dad thought it would be a great idea so that Andrew could learn to walk Ollie on his own. Come on, Ollie, this way. Ollie and Andrew continued on their walk around their neighborhood till Andrew tripped and lost his grip on Ollie's leash. Ow, that hurt. Wait, where's Ollie? Andrew looked all around for Ollie but couldn't find him. Andrew began calling out Ollie's name to see if Ollie could hear him. Ollie, 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 where are you? Wait, what's that? Andrew saw a cat running towards him. Andrew waited for the cat to come up to him. Where did you come from, little kitty? Do you know where Ollie is? Andrew followed the cat and eventually led him to his back door. There he was. Ollie made it home all by himself. Ollie, I can't believe you found your way home. Maybe next time we can go on a walk with Mom and Dad. They should come with us. Ollie and Andrew then played in the backyard together until it was bedtime. The end.